Hello everyone, Sulfur Creep here, and today I'm gonna be starting this channel with some Minecraft. So let's get started. So let me just create this world. I don't know why that is. Okay, let's get. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm just gonna do some settings. So. Okay, that's much more better. So let's go. Let's get some of the sensitivity is high, so I cannot really play that much. Okay, we always start with wood, right? Get it. Okay, let's get on. I'm just gonna get the sensitivity very low. There we go. Okay, this might be better. So where should we start? Desert or forest? Forest would be good. We should start making a house, and yeah, make tools and stuff like that. So we shouldn't start making the house now, but I know what we should do. Oh, there's a baby pig there. Aww. Okay, let, let's get started. Ooh, what happened? Okay, beside this lake would be good. So we're gonna chop those trees. Why can't I sprint? Okay, let's get this. Beside a farm would be good. I mean a lake or a river. So let's just get this wood. Get this wood. Get this wood. Okay. So now let's get building. So what I wanna do is just craft some wood, and that's enough. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna like do a dog house. So my house would start here. No, it's just so annoying when this happens. So I'm just gonna make this. This will be like my house frame, my frame of my house, the frame of my house. Okay. So after that, just do that, do that. So now I have the like the archway, you know where like, okay, I should stop speaking now. So let's get to it. Get these. Yep. So now let's get these sorted. I want to make like a house like that, then like go sideways. So that would be cool. So let's just get this grass away. So I'm just gonna be starting living here from now, because at night time there will be mobs. Okay. Sprint. Okay, let's get this. Get this. Okay, let's get every of this wood. So I'm just gonna make a small little hut for today. Well, I'm gonna make a big one, but this is so annoying. This is so annoying. I wanna do that much. Okay. Wait. Look at this. Minecraft trolls me. No. Okay. So what I'm gonna do? Okay, there we go. That's much more better. Okay. Let's get this going. Come on. No. Okay. So let's just get this out of this way. So what I'm gonna do? Okay. So now what I'm gonna do is just this. Okay. It's gonna be hard. Just make. Wait. Okay, no problem. I guess this shouldn't be here. Let me just get this out of the way. There we go. So now what I'm gonna do is just do that. Same thing but over here. There. So now what I should do is just like close it up. Okay, there we go. Okay, that's good. So now I'm just gonna get this done. This is gonna be done like in, I don't know. Even this is the starting episode, which is fantastic. Little hot for me. So what I'm gonna do, just continue this. Okay, so I gotta get this some more of this oak wood. Okay, let's just get this. Okay. Okay, let's just get this. Okay, now get out. This is gonna be fantastic. Okay, I'm just gonna build it. Hello. Okay. Okay, what I'm gonna do is just, Mr. Cow, you're in my way. So can you just, oh, thank you. He listened. These animals don't act like that very often. Okay. No, you don't have a way in. So this is turning out good. So what I'm gonna do, just get some more wood. Then I'm just gonna continue this house. So this is the first episode of today, of this let's play. And yeah. Okay. Sorry if I'm making weird noises and it's like it's something bad for you. I don't know why it would be bad for you, but yeah, if it is bad, then I'm really sorry. So let's just get this. Okay. Just, oh no, it's turning nighttime. Hmm. Okay, what I'm gonna do? Come on, jump, jump. Okay, get this, get this, get this. I don't want to get be. I don't want to be dead. I don't want to be dead. I don't want to be dead. I don't want. Okay, what I'm gonna do? There. So guys, I'm just gonna pause this here. So if you guys don't like it, I don't know why you guys don't like it, but it's turning at nighttime. So I'm just gonna pause this, and yeah, I'll be back until it's daytime. Guys, welcome back, and it's daytime now. So let's get to it. So what I'm gonna do? Oh, I don't have any food. That's bad. That's very bad. So I'm just gonna break this. I need food. I need food. I need food. Food I need. Oh my gosh. But look at that cow. I really need food. If I don't have food, I'll not be beautiful anymore. Okay. Hello. Thanks. Let's enjoy. What? Come on. I'm not gonna be sprinting anymore now. Okay, let's just continue. Ooh, 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 ooh. Okay, these two trees are in the way. I see you now. You don't see me now. I don't think that's correct. Gosh. Okay. Okay. Right, let's just get this stuff. Let's get these trees. This is bad. Okay. That's gonna be good. Let's get some of these. Oh no. That was extremely loud. Let me just. Okay, there we go. Okay, there we go. So, there we go. Get another one. Get another one. Get another one. There we go. Oh, wow, that's the correct place, I think. Yeah, it's the correct place. It's the place where I wanted to place it. Get away. So, just gonna like go here. Oh, I don't have. No. Okay. There's a pig there, but I don't mind. I don't mind. I'm not that much hungry. Okay. Let's get this. Oh, I thought I was there. Get these wood. Okay. Okay. Here we go. Now I'm gonna be crafting some more wood. What's blocking my way? Grr. This is bad. This is very bad. I don't like this. I'm a very, very, very bad. Oh my gosh. Bah! Okay. Let's get this. Ooh, this. Oh, okay, okay. I understand now. I can just do this. Okay. I'm just gonna take this down. Now, I'm gonna make a crafting table. I'll place it inside. Gosh. No. Okay. So, what I need is to clear out this. Okay. Clearing out that would be some rubble. Wait. It would be a good job with the shovel. And yeah. Oh, why is there a zombie? Okay, after I clear this, I can do the floor. So I'm just gonna clear this all out. There we go. So, gosh, why is there a zombie? So what I'm gonna do is just take all this. Then I'm gonna like fix this. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I'm just gonna hit him in the head with a spade or a shovel. What does it say? Shovel. Okay. Hey zombie, where are you? I wanna hit your head with the shovel. Oh, you're scared. Okay. That's not fair. Oh, you guys are there. I don't want to bang your head on with a shovel, because you guys will shoot me and I will die. Then I will not spawn here. Then I gotta cross this. Hello zombie, come on, come be my friend. So okay, there you go. I might be not there. Oh, can I bang your head with the shovel? Oh, okay, you answered me. Thanks. Okay, let's get this on. So I wanna bang this. Oh, wait, I wanna make the floor. There we go. That's so much. That's so much. That's nearly a stuck. Stuck or stuck? Oh, that's a new feature. Oh, awesome. I never knew that. Okay, let's get this. So let's get this. This is a pretty good light wood for something like a floor. What happened there? Okay, this is gonna be good. Wait, I don't know where I'm going. So I'm gonna make another shovel. Wait, I can make a back 3. Well, that's good. 3 birch doors. Okay, can get some stuff. Okay, so now I'm just gonna do this. I'll fix the house later. I'll just make this house. Oh yeah, and get this, because that's where the bricks. Oh my gosh, I have so much fixing to do. Sideways. Professional sideways digger. No, I'm gonna make it like... It's like... I don't know, it's like impossible. I can like go like here, then like... Side. It's like impossible. Who can do that? Like... Look backwards then dig? Well, of course Minecraft can do that, but... if we can do that, that would be amazing. Amazing. Okay, there we go. Cover. No. Okay, so let's just get this wood. Get out of here. I just need one. Bloop. Now I just need the other one. I need the other one. Okay, there we go. There we go. So now, what I'm gonna do? Is it turning to nighttime? Where's the sun? No, it's setting again. At least I have doors, and I have a shovel for people that wants to come. Oh yeah, I have a door too. So yeah guys, this will be the end of this video. So hope you enjoy, and I'll see you guys all later.